Ooh, look at her. She's cute. She's cute too. I like her bun. What in the... Okay, guys. So I'm gonna take my bonnet off, but basically, as you guys can tell from the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be doing my top knot bun. I haven't really done one in a while. I need to do an updated one because the method is different because my hair is, it's a little damaged at the ends. I have to blend my hair, so yeah, and I have to go somewhere. I have to be ready to go at 10. It is currently 9:14, so let's see how fast I can do this. Okay, so yeah, my hair is not the best, so I'm just gonna be taking water in a warm water bottle and spraying the perimeter of my head. And the water bottle is kind of ghetto, so it's broke, but yeah, just spray the perimeter of your head to soften it up so we can get this bun going. Okay, so taking my little wide tooth comb, I'm just going to be combing through the curls around the perimeter so that my hair can lay flat. And as you will see, I'm going to be going in and out between a wide tooth comb, a brush, fine tooth comb, stuff like that. And then I'm just going to be using the only product that I use today, guys. The only product, Cantu Moisturizing Curl Cream. If y'all aren't new, then you already know. But if you're new, I'm telling you now, get on the wave. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. I'm switching back and forth between the comb and the brush, and I'm gonna just let y'all watch because it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so as far as making the actual bun goes, as you see that little scrunchie, yeah, that goes around the ends of my hair so that while I do the big scrunchie, it doesn't get in the way. Because if I would have tried to do it with just the green one that you see, my hair would have gotten tangled up. So I put the little scrunchie around the ends of the hair. Kind of looks like a palm tree, but you'll see. Okay, that's it. That is the bun. Now we are finished. Now I can get ready to go. Psych. I look like a whoville. I look like a who something. Okay, guys, so now that is finished, I just moved the little scrunchie down some to give my bun some height. Now I'm just taking the remaining hair and wrapping it around the base. And then after that, I'm just going to be using some bobby pins to just give the bun a little bit of extra security, because you don't want the wind to blow and then boom, the bun is destroyed. You don't want that. So yeah, this is optional, but I like it. So moving on. Okay, guys, so that is the finished bun. If you want to, you can put a scarf on, but I don't need to put my scarf on. Personally, I actually like whenever my edges curl up a little bit, but if you don't like that, you can put a scarf on. So, and it is now 9:26. So yeah, that actually didn't take long at all. But that's just about it. And like I said before, if you want to use gel, use gel. I mean, it doesn't really matter what product you use the product that works best for you. I'm using hair too because that's the product that works best for me, and that's the product that I have right now. So y'all, this is the next day. Bun looks a mess, but I just woke up and my edges are still pretty, well, this one kind of messed up, but my edges still are pretty laid. So bun a little messed up, but I don't sleep well. If you sleep well, but yeah, it is the next day. In case y'all wanted proof, here's the proof. Oh God, it's the next day.